Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As in the previous lecture video, we have discussed that what are web pages and how web pages are used in our websites. And in today's lecture, we will discuss that what are portfolio websites and how we can create a personal portfolio using HTML, and it can be very helpful for you guys to show your online work on your website. So let's get started. Okay, so in today's lecture video, there are two main questions, that what is portfolio website and what is its structure, that on which things it is dependent or it is consist of. So we will discuss first of that what is portfolio website. So basically a portfolio website is a collection of your work or skill of your work or skill, that is project contact information and all are presented on your website. For example, it helps you to showcase your skills, display your past works or projects, and give potential clients or employees a way to contact you by your online presence. For example, there is a client that wants to connect you or wants to contact you, so he will go in the contact uh, web page, or he will go in the about us web page, so by directly he can contact you. Okay, so now is it structure, that on which thing it is dependent or it is made up. So basically it is made up of five main things it is made up. Okay, the first main thing is heading element, basically the heading of the web page or a website, heading element. The second is the about me section. The third is your project or work, that on which thing you're working, a project or work. The fourth one is your skills, that on in which things you are good at. And the fifth and the last, it's contact, like your Gmail, your phone number, and your links, that how people will contact you. So these are the five main structures that are important for a portfolio website. Okay, so now we will discuss these all five main things in our Visual Studio Code. So I'll meet you in the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I am here in the Visual Studio Code, and I will copy paste the portfolio file that I've given in our WhatsApp community. You have to copy from there and paste it at here. Okay, so it has been pasted. HTML portfolio projects. It contains two files and three images. That the first file assist, it contains two, a birthday invite, like it's a birthday invite page, and a movie ranking, like my best movies according to Angela or according to me, my top three movies of all time: Spirited Away, Ex Machina, and Drive. Like Spirited Away, and this is my favorite anime. I love the beautiful images. Like about the Spirited Away, I have written that why it's favorite movie, and in the X Machine, I've written that why it's favorite movie and why it is good. Okay, in the public, it contains four, that the about.html, it's not necessary, and the second one is birthday invite. Okay, in that we have already done, but we will fill it again. The third one is the contact. We have yesterday done it. The fourth one is the movie ranking. We have to write this by mentioning our favorite movies. Okay, our goal is like this, and our index.html is this, like we have to first create an HTML boilerplate, and after that we have to add our previous project HTML into the public folder. And after that we have to take a screenshot of our project previews and add the image to the image folder. And after that our solution is like this type of solution. Like in the heading element there are two, like Angelus profile, and we can write as this, like we can write as this, Saad's profile. Okay, I've written this Saad profile, and I will write my full name here also. That's Saad's, no Saad, no Saad Khalid profile. Sorry, contain portfolio. Okay, here I have written that I'm a web developer, and here is the public image, like the movie ranking image, and here is the about section, here is the context section, here is the birdie image, and here is the birdie invite image. So here I will do, first of all we will do that I have to click on the run and start debugging, and I will choose this. Okay, it's in being process, and I don't know why it's not happening. So we will choose simply again start debugging. Okay, it's not doing, like it's not responding. So we will just simply delete it, and we will start debugging with node.js. Okay, node.js doesn't exist, make sure installed. Okay, it's not installed. So we will on the edge. Okay, request add configuration and launch it. I don't know why it's not responding. It has some issue. Okay, we will leave it like this. We'll go again to our website development projects, and we will delete it from here. Okay, here I have given the heading element, two heading elements, and the movie ranking and the birdie images. Okay, we will first go for the first step, that is a birdie invite. Okay, here you have to go tell your all about me, that who I am, what do I do, etc. And here you have to write that it's my birthday on, like I will write on my birthday that it's 20th April. It's 20th April. So I've written this. Okay, after that you have to copy paste a image of a cake. Okay, now I have selected an image of a cake, like this is the image of a cake, very beautiful cake. And here is the content, like a purple birthday cake with candles. Okay, what to bring, that what do you have to bring for the guests, like the balloon. I love balloons because you should bring balloons because I love balloons. Cake, I'm really good at eating, you should bring a cake because I'm really good at eating. And appetite, there will be a lot of foods, like these things what to bring are for the guests that are you inviting. Okay, this is where you need to go. Here is your, you will put your address, like pinpoint or your current location. You have to copy paste. You will first go at the map.com, like I will show you. You will simply write at the Google, if you are in Windows, or if you are working on your laptop, so you will write here that map, Google map, or a Google map, or you will write Google Maps. Or if you are in the mobile, so you will directly open the maps. I'm in the laptop. So I will choose my current location and from here and paste it at there. So it's a very simple work. And now our first mission is completed. After that, we have to go in the contact page and contact me. And I have to write here my phone number. It's not my phone number, it's an example. I will give my phone number. I will give my Gmail. That, for example, my Gmail is, for example, I give my Gmail that sadhalil.sk@gmail.com. And here is my address, for example, 123 North Street, some city. Like, you have to remove the some city, and you have to write your city name, and some country you have to remove it and you have to write your country name. And when you do it, you will run it and start debug, like in the Chrome. So here is your about a contact me section, like your phone number, your email, your address. It contains all. Okay. And when you will go in the birthday section, I will again run it. I will start debugging and I'll go in the Chrome. So it contains like this, like, it's my birthday on 20th April, what to bring, balloons, cake and appetite, and there's where you to go, and here's the link of your current location or where you need to go. Okay, on the fourth, there is our movie ranking, that my best three movies according to. Here I will write my name, that according to Sat. Okay, and my top three movies of all time are Spirited Away, because this is my favorite anime and I love the beautiful images. X Machine, X Machine, X Machine, sorry. Okay, and I love X Machine because it's a really cool scientific movie and drive, super beautiful film, really artistic. Because, like, you have to write the movie name and why do you love it. And I will just simply start debugging on it. And here you have to do this, like heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, and heading 5. Like the first heading and the main heading is the my best movies according to Sal. You have to write your name in here. So here is the three best movies. Okay, after that, what we have to do, here's the solution. So here is, like, you have to write your name, Saad Khali, profile, I'm a web developer, and you here you have to copy paste that. Like, you don't have to copy paste, like here automatically it will be updated, and here automatically the contact page will be updated. So it was today's lecture, and I hope you have learned something new. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more web development projects and videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.